how to fix YouTube sound not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and fix audio issues on YouTube. First, make sure your device volume is turned up and your phone is not on silent or mute. Press the volume up button a few times to check. After that, go to your home screen and long press on the YouTube app icon, then tap on the Info or I button. From there, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache. At this point, go back to App Info and tap on Permissions and make sure all necessary permissions are set to Allow. In the next step, go back to App Info and tap on Battery. Following this, make sure battery optimization is set to unrestricted, so YouTube is not being limited in the background. Once done, go back to your home screen and long press on an empty area or use your power button to restart your device. Finally, once your device is back on, open YouTube and play a video to check if the sound is now working. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your YouTube sound issue, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.